when dawn unfolds its golden veil. Your blessed name rides every gale. The stars grow humble in your light. The darkest hearts awaken bright. O Muhammad, mercy divine, a radiant sun through endless time. The fragrance of your noble way still fills the hearts that seek to pray. The desert bloomed beneath your tread. By truth alone the nations led. Each gentle word, each gracious smile turned barren souls to fields worthwhile. The moon itself bore witness clear when love outshone all doubt and fear. The heavens echoed praise above, for you were sent with endless love. Your patience calmed the fiercest storm. Your mercy gave the weak new form. The orphan found a father's care. The broken found their answer there. Your eyes were oceans deep and kind, with hope enough for all mankind. No enemy could steal your grace. Compassion always filled your face. How blessed the sands of Madinah's ground, where peace and light forever abound. Each breeze that passes through that land feels like a touch from heaven's hand. My soul still longs to journey there, to stand with humble heart in prayer, to send my blessings day and night upon the source of endless light. When trials rise like restless seas, your noble sunnah grants us peace. Its timeless wisdom gently guides the faithful through life's changing tides. No crown of gold adorned your head, yet kings admired the path you led. Your greatest throne was every heart that chose from darkness to depart. The Quran shone within your soul, completing heaven's sacred goal. Each verse became a living flame, forever glorifying your name. O chosen one, beloved guide, with every step stay by my side. Teach me humility and grace, until I meet you face to face. If tears could build a bridge of light, I'd walk to Madinah day and night. If love could lift the wings I bear, I'd find your blessed resting there. My voice is small, my words are few, yet every heartbeat speaks of you. For every blessing that I see reminds me of your purity. May endless peace upon you be, from every heart on every sea, until the final trumpets call. Your mercy shall embrace us all. Oh Allah, send your peace once more upon the Prophet we adore, his family and companions too, the faithful, noble, kind and true. Forever shall my spirit sing of mercy's everlasting King, your messenger, the chosen light, who led the world from night to bright.